We warmly welcome you to the tutorial, Shop in the INOSHOP system, my customers. Shop in the INOSHOP, what does that mean? The merchants approved for the Shop in INOSHOP system can set up purchasing accounts for their customers, merchants' customers, under the INOSHOP merchant account. This makes the merchant account multi-client capable. This includes the following areas for the merchant. Set merchant logo. View merchant discount groups and net prices. Create merchant customer data. Specify merchant customer discounts and net prices per item group, discount group. Show inventory to merchant customers. Securely send merchant customer login to merchant customer. Make merchant customers active or inactive. View merchant customer orders. When is an INOSHOP merchant account multi-client capable? The merchant is released for this in the INOSHOP system by Innova Tools. How does the merchant see that his INOSHOP account is multi-client capable? The merchant must register in the INOSHOP with his login data. The menu item My Customers is then displayed under the menu item My Shop. First, merchant steps to set up the merchant customers. After clicking on the menu item My Customers, the overview page for setting up the merchant data My Settings and the points for setting up the merchant customer data New Customer Setup, Customers, Edit and Customers, Orders are displayed. Button, My Settings. The merchant can set or view the following areas here. Set My Logo. The merchant can select his logo, JPG or PNG, with the Select the Logo button. Minimum logo height, 50 pixels. The logo will then be displayed next to the InnovaTools logo for all merchant customers. Order channel. Directly to Innova Tools is displayed for this purpose. My discount groups. For this purpose, the discount groups and the associated item group numbers for each discount group are displayed. After clicking on an item group numbers, a window opens with the associated item numbers and discount prices. Item number discount. For this purpose, the item group numbers with item number discount displayed. After clicking, the details will be shown. Net prices. For this purpose, the item group numbers are displayed with net prices. After clicking, the details will be shown. Button, New Customer Setup. Company data. In the first step, the merchant sets it up as follows. Customer number. Here the merchant should use the internal customer number of his customer company name of his customer email address of his customer. This is also used as username after that. The privacy policy must be accepted and clicked on the Save button. Further customer information will then be displayed for entry. Shipping address. In the next step, the delivery address of the merchant customer is created. Up to 2 delivery addresses can be created here. After that, the data must be saved. Customer discounts groups. In addition, the merchant assigns his customer discount from the catalog price for each discount group in the customer discount % field. All fields customer discounts % must be filled in. After that, the data must be saved. The merchant customer prices are only calculated after saving. The customer discount % can be changed by the merchant at any time. After saving, the merchant customer prices are immediately recalculated and displayed. If a customer discount % higher than or equal to my discount % is entered, the field will be displayed in red color as a warning. By clicking on an item group number, the respective calculated merchant customer prices are displayed in detail. The merchant can also change the customer discount % within a customer discount group for a specific item group number. It must be saved after each change. The item group number is then displayed in red. In addition, the customer discount % can also be changed for a specific item number. After saving, the item number and item group number are displayed in red. This provides the merchant with a powerful control tool for pricing its customers. Customer article number discount. If a merchant has an item number discount, this will be displayed. After clicking on an item group number, the item overview is displayed. Here the merchant must enter his customer discount from the catalog price per item group number in the customer discount percent field. Customers' discounts percent prices can be set separately for each item number. Settings must be saved in each case. Customer net prices. If a merchant has a net price, this will be displayed. After clicking on an item group number, the item overview is displayed. Here the merchant must enter his customer discount from the catalog price per item group number in the customer discount percent field. After each entry, the customer's discounts percent prices are calculated and displayed. Settings must be saved in each case. Stock. When clicked, the stock level is displayed to the merchant customer. Send customer login. After all the required fields have been filled in, the Send Customer Login button will appear. The merchant must use this to securely send his customers the information about the login data. If the customer login has not been sent or fields are not filled out, the merchant customer is displayed in a red-colored form in the Customers, Edit, Customers, Orders Overview list. After sending the data, the merchant customer is displayed in a black-colored form in the Overview list. Until the merchant customer has confirmed the customer login email, the merchant will see customer not yet confirmed the login email. How is the merchant's customer notified about their INOSHOP account? After the merchant has clicked the Send Customer Login button, the merchant's customer receives an email with the login link directly. As soon as the merchant customer clicks on the link, the INOSHOP page opens in the browser, on which the merchant customer can enter his password. After entering the password, the merchant customer can log in and view their individual article discounts and prices. The merchant's customer orders in the INOSHOP. How does the process work? To do this, the merchant customer places the items in the shopping cart and completes the purchase in 4 steps. The order then goes directly to Innova Tools, also with all the information, merchant discounts, etc., and the usual email confirmations. Just as if the merchant were ordering from Innova Tools. The order confirmation is also issued to the merchant by Innova Tools. The merchant customer also receives all confirmations for the order, but with the discounts and prices set by the merchant. In addition, the merchant customer always sees the merchant's logo and company data. The delivery address is selected by the merchant customer during the ordering process and included in all confirmations. Merchants and merchant customers can view all orders in the INOSHOP. The merchant under My Customers, Customers, Orders. The merchant's customer at My Account, My Orders. Your portal for purchasing Innova Tools articles. Use this service from Innova Tools and save a lot of time. Thank you and goodbye.